This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. Price to sell. Gorgeous 2-story home feels and shows like new. Has an amazing floor plan. Downstairs you will find the master bedroom, a guest bedroom, plus a separate office, open kitchen with large breakfast island, a large laundry room, and a great size living area. That's not it. Walking upstairs you will find 2 more bedrooms plus a loft that could be a second living area or play area. This is an amazing place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.